I'm a filmmaker, and today the star of the story is Bulgogi. Paper-thin beef, glossy with marinade, ready to sizzle its way into memory. It's Seoul on a plate, confident, fragrant, alive. Every dish has its story, and Bulgogi's begins long before the first sizzle. Seoul in South Korea at night isn't quiet, it hums. But Bulgogi wasn't born on the street. It was a royal indulgence. Centuries ago it was grilled over open flames at court banquets, which is why its name literally translates to fire meat. And the sweetness that makes it so unmistakable doesn't come from sugar. It comes from grated pear or apple, a natural tenderizer that melts into the marinade. While most marinades cover flaws, Bulgogi's does the opposite. It sharpens what's already there. The grating begins softly, garlic turning into a smooth paste. Meanwhile, the beef waits, half frozen, not rock hard. This is the trick to thin slices without losing your fingers or your temper. The blade glides and each sheet falls like a perfect cut in the editing room. And now onions, diced to release that bright, sharp sweetness. Not too coarse, no one wants surprise crunch where silk should be. Next, spring onions, transformed into elegant ribbons. They're not just garnish, they're texture and freshness. At this moment, an apple joins the cast. Crisp, sweet, and slightly tart. Its juice softens the meat to elevate the performance. Soon after, everything goes into the blender. Garlic, onion, apple, the holy trinity of Bulgogi's backbone, and a bunch of spices. When the motor hums, it's creating magic. The sauce pours over the beef. Every slice soaks up the promise of what's to come. Peanut oil follows, not too much, just enough to make the flavors glide. Massage with your hands, this is not the time for spoons. The meat should drink it in, felt by your fingers. Meanwhile, carrots are cut into fine, sharp matchsticks. No lazy cuts here. Their crisp bite will keep the whole dish from collapsing into softness. Then, the moment of truth. The wok hits high heat. The beef drops in with a hiss that could wake the city. Keep it moving. Don't let it clump or steam. Toss, flick, lift. Bulgogi doesn't like to be left alone. The spring onion and carrot ribbons join the frenzy. A quick toss and suddenly it smells like midnight in a restless city. Finally, pine nuts or sesame seeds crackle in a dry pan. A few seconds only. No oil, no distractions, just that nutty perfume announcing the finale. They're folded through the beef, binding everything together like the closing scene of a great movie. I'm a filmmaker. Many people from diverse countries and backgrounds have taught me something simple. It's the quiet moments that stay with you. In the kitchen, Bulgogi is one of those moments. The way the sauce clings, the way the beef gives way under your teeth, the smells that bring back memories. Follow me along and let the next quiet moment begin at your stove.